Hi there, this is Kevin here from the Treasure Coast Business Spotlight, brought to you by Fiorella Insurance. And with me today is my friend and colleague, Trent Hammon, who's here to tell us just a little bit about why it's important for business owners to offer group health insurance plans to their employees versus their employees going off and getting individual coverage. So if you're a business owner, this video is perfect for you because we'll walk through a few tips about why it's important to get health insurance and how the pricing and all that fun stuff is figured out, as well as if you are an employee of a business and you're not being offered health insurance, this could be a perfect video to share with your employer just to give them some tips just in case they're thinking about it. So to start off with, Trent, tell us, why is it important for employers to offer health insurance to their employees on a group plan versus their employees going out and getting individual coverage?
Great question. So the first is it's a great differentiator. So by offering coverage to your employees, that's going to help set you apart. As rates on individual or family plans continue to skyrocket, those employees may be left with some tough decisions on whether or not they can afford to insure themselves and their family. So in return, they may look to their employers for help and guidance. And setting up a group plan allows you to offer them a more affordable route for their coverage. Also, any contribution that an employer makes to their employees' benefits is 100% tax deductible. They're able to write it off as a business expense. So it's going to help keep their payroll costs down, as well as offer the employees a great benefit. That's going to lead to retaining your top talent as well as attracting new talent coming in.
Oh, great. So what factors do the insurance companies use when they're figuring out what the price is?
It's a good question. I get that a lot, obviously. The common misconception is that your medical history or pre-existing conditions may cause your rates to be higher or for you to not be offered coverage at all. But that's just not the case anymore. With the Affordable Care Act, they did away with pre-existing conditions. So because of that, your rates are really going to be determined based off, one, the age of those that enroll in the coverage, and then two, the zip code where the company is located.
Oh, wow. That makes it pretty simple to figure out.
Very straightforward.
Well, good deal. So does it cost anything more for an employer to go, with an agent or an agency or a broker, work with somebody like you as opposed to going to the insurance company on their own?
The great part about using an agent or a broker is that it's not going to cost you a dime.
Okay.
It's going to allow you to basically shop your coverage around with all the carriers that are available to you. It's not going to require you to spend the time reaching out, doing it yourself. An agent or broker is able to do that for you, and it's not any additional cost to you as an employer. The rates are filed with the state every year. So the carriers have already set those rates, and using a broker or an agent isn't going to have any effect on the bottom line.
Oh, okay. And then the broker or agent would be checking to make sure you're getting the best deal.
Right, exactly.
Wow, that works out pretty well. So with the individual coverage, we've come to know that in the last few years, you have to enroll in the fall in order to enroll. Does that work the same with group coverage?
So unlike individual coverage, where you have one open enrollment period all year, that's your one time to enroll, or you're going to be out of luck till the following year. With group plans, your company can set those up to begin on the 1st or the 15th of any month throughout the year. So you would not need to wait until next open enrollment to get your group coverage started.
Oh, wow. That's pretty convenient because you can do it just about any time. Wow.
Exactly.
So in case you're considering here soon or sometime in the future having a group health insurance plan, if you would like, you look down below in the comments or the description section, depending what platform you're watching this video, and we'll have contact information so you can get a hold of either Trent or someone on his team for a no obligation quote. So thank you for watching the Treasure Coast Business Spotlight, and thank you for watching this video sponsored by Trent. And Trent, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
Appreciate it. Take care.
Thank you.